Hey everyone, this is Ashwin. I've done a mini project on home automation system using Python programming language and HTML for the web interface. In this project, I've used cardboard for the home prototype and a Raspberry Pi, 5 LED lights, and finally a solenoid. To power them up, I've used a portable charger. Let me start by demonstrating to you my mini project. I'm able to use a web interface to control all of my lights and the solenoid, which replicates as my main door locking system. I'll begin by switching on my living room light, my room 1 light, my bathroom light, my room 2 light, and my kitchen light. Now I'll off my living room light, my room 1 light, my bathroom light, my room 2 light, and finally the kitchen light. Now I'll show you how my locking mechanism works for the main door. I'll lock. Now I'll do a unlock. Just to show you again, a lock and an unlock. Now I'll on all my lights all over again to show you my no one is at home functionality. Now when I click no one's at home, all the light switches off and the main door gets locked. I would appreciate it if you could like and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon to receive notifications on my next video. Thank you and have an awesome day everyone.